Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? Color, background, primary, success, info, and more. Let's start coding. I have created our project file as I did before. We will assign color to text and assign different backgrounds in this tutorial. Let's create a p tag first, lorem 3, save it, and let's have a look at it. There is no color. Let's assign a class, text primary. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, it is a blue color. Let me make it that one a little bit wider. Let's copy and paste more and have a look at rest of colors. Let's start from that one, secondary, and let's add the rest of them and have a look at colors all together. Success, danger, warning, info. Let's put a HR here and save it. Let's have a look at it. You see guys, all different colors. Primary, secondary, success, danger, warning, and info. Let's have a look at the rest of them. Light. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, it is very light. So we should add a background to see it properly. For example, BG primary. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, it is clearer. Let's have a look at that one. Dark. And that one is body. That one is muted. And then that one is white. But we should add a background color to see it properly. BG, let's say secondary. Let's use another one for this example. Black 50. It is sort of gray. And let's make that one is opposite of black 50, white 50. But we should add background color for 2 as well. BG primary. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, all differences. We will use all those colors in our future projects. You don't need to memorize all of them. You will use all those things in the project and you will remember it automatically. Let's put a HR tag and have a look at background options. We will use sort of same methodology for background. So it means we will use primary, secondary, success, danger, warning, info, light, dark, and etc. Let's create a p tag with a bg primary class. Lorem 2. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, this is the background. Let's add a rest of them guys. Let me copy and paste. BG secondary, BG success, BG danger, BG warning, BG info, BG light, BG dark, BG white, and BG transparent. but we should change the color of text for that one because our text color is black, so background also black, so we can't see anything. So let's change color of our text. I just need to add another class, text, let's say primary. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, all backgrounds, and we change the color of the text for dark background as you see. We will use all those backgrounds in our projects too, and then also we will learn how to customize tone of that colors in our future project by using such technologies. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.